So today we're doing fireworks in a jar, just because it was the 4th of July a few days ago, but these, I promise, are a lot quieter, okay? So first I'm going to show you the things that we need for the science experiment, and then we'll get started. So I've got my glass jar. It should be clear. It doesn't have to be glass, but it should be clear so that you can see along the side, because you want to be able to see the science experiment. I have a cup of warm water. Should be warm. That part helps. I've got my bowl and a fork. That'll help me mix in our oil and food coloring, which are my next things. I've got my oil here, and I have some food coloring, okay? That's all you need for this. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my water and I'm going to pour it into my jar. I only filled my jar about 2/3 of the way with the water. Okay, we want to have a little bit of space at the top for the oil that we're going to pour in next, okay? So I've got my jar here. Next, what I'm going to do is I've got some oil. I'm going to pour it into my bowl. I don't need a lot. Okay, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this or not, but I've got some oil in my bowl. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tip this a little bit more so you can see a little bit better. There. Okay. So now I'm going to take my food coloring. I'm going to have you help me count. I'm going to put some of every color in here, okay? So I've got 4 colors. I've got red, yellow, green, and blue. I think I'm going to put 5 drops of each one into my oil, okay? Not the water. I'm putting it in the oil. You ready? You count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. So that's the yellow. Yellow is all set. Next, let's do red. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So we're halfway there, friends. We've got 2 colors down. We have 2 more to go. Let's use blue. 1, 2. This one's faster. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, last one. Are you ready? Ooh, this one's a little messier. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So now I'm going to give it a mix and make sure that 5 drops was enough. So I'm taking my fork and I'm mixing the food coloring into the oil. Got to mix it up really well, friends. You want to break up those big drops of coloring into little tiny drops, okay? All right, I think that's actually going to do it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to very carefully, and you'll need an adult's help with this, very carefully going to pour my oil on top of my water. Okay. Now what we should do is we're going to take a very close look at this. I want you to watch. Oh my goodness, do you see all along here? Check that line. Do you see all that color that's seeping down? There's our fireworks in a jar. That is pretty cool, isn't it, friends? Check that out. Wow. You see the different colors in there? Do you see the green and the blue? I definitely see some yellow. There's a splash of red in there too. Look at that. How cool. All right, you crazy kids. I will see you soon.